Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your sleep stats on the Sleepless Android app. To see your sleep stats, of course, enter your app. You'll be then on this screen. Here by default you will see a lot of different things from your last night. In this case, as you can see at the top, the alarms, then sleep score. You can tap on it to see your sleep stats. If you want to compare it to community, you can tap here and see it compared to how different communities have it. Back off from it, and here you can just see your general stats, your duration of the sleep, the regularity of it, your deep sleep percentage, your efficiency, how much time you spend snoring, your deficit, your heart rate. You can sort them to possibly just prioritize different things in the stats. You can see your stats from previous days. Another place you can see those stats is click here and then tap on stats, and again you will see the same screen. If you want to see it on this screen but you don't see it, you can go all the way down, hide/show, and just turn them on or off. You can't change their order, unfortunately, but there's not a lot of them, so it isn't too much of a problem. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.